Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 1. Registering for a class. Hello, I need to register for a class.
What class are you trying to take?
I want to take a psychology class.
Well, there are only 2 classes open.
Can you tell me what days the classes are on?
One class is on Tuesday and Thursday from 2 p.m.-4 p.m.
And the other class?
That class is from 10 to 12 on Monday and Wednesday.
Are you sure these are the only open classes?
Yes, I am sure.
Okay, sign me up for the class on Monday and Wednesday.
Very well then.
I would like to register for a class today.
No problem. What class would you like to take?
I would very much enjoy taking a psychology class.
There are 2 classes that are still open.
Which days are these classes on?
The first class is a Tuesday and Thursday class from 2 to 3.
What about the other class?
The other class is on Monday and Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 12 p.m.
Are you sure there are no more open classes?
I'm positive.
Sign me up for Monday and Wednesday.
Okay, I'll sign you up.
Could you help me to register for a class?
Do you know what class you want to take?
Are there any psych classes available?
I believe there are still 2 psychology classes open.
On what days are the classes?
There is one class on Tuesday and Thursday from 2 to 4.
Can you tell me about the other class?
It's from 10-12 on Monday and Wednesday.
You're positive that these are the only classes left?
These 2 are the only ones.
The class on Monday and Wednesday will be fine.
Very good.
Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share the channel, Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.